As per the data shared by the Election Commission of India, the fifth phase of the Lok Sabha elections for 49 parliamentary constituencies saw a cumulative voter turnout of 47.53% till 3 p.m. this evening. According to the poll body, Ladakh recorded the highest voter turnout, 61.26%, followed by West Bengal 62.72%, Jharkhand 53.90%. A three-member special team from the National Investigation Agency (NIA) has taken the most wanted criminal, Hanan Mia, 40 years old, into custody and is flying to Guwahati to produce him before the NIA Special Court from Tripura today. The successful operation came after the officer in charge of Bishalgarh Police Station, Rana Chatterjee, carried out a special operation to detain Mia on Sunday. More than 90 medical students from Manipur studying in different medical colleges in Kyrgyzstan have sought safe passage to India after the situation continues to remain tense following attacks on foreign students. As per reports, 95 medical students from Manipur claimed their life to be at risk following protests and attacks by locals of Kyrgyzstan on foreign students over a growing number of migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Egypt and other countries. Senior Indian Police Service IPS officer Idashisha Nongrong today was sworn in as the new Director General of Police (DGP) for Meghalaya. Her appointment is historic as she became the first woman to lead Meghalaya Police Force. Nongrong, a 1992 batch IPS officer, previously served as the Director General (DG) of Civil Defence and Home Guard in Meghalaya. She succeeded Dr. L.R. Bishnoi as Meghalaya DGP, who retired on Sunday, that is yesterday. A Ross Avenue court in New Delhi today extended judicial remand of BRS MLC-K Kavita till June 3rd. She is lodged in Tihar Jail in New Delhi after being arrested in connection with Delhi liquor scam on March 15, and since then she is in judicial remand. She was produced before the court today in virtual mode. Iran's Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei announced 5 days of public mourning for President Ibrahim Raisi, who died in a helicopter crash. First Vice President Mohammad Moghber is appointed interim head of the executive branch. An election must be held within 50 days to choose Raisi's successor. Moghber will oversee the transition. The Indian Kayaking Canoeing Association (IKCA) held its selection trials at Whitewater Village in Shillong on May 18 and 19. These trials were essential for forming the national team that will compete in 2024 ICF Canoe Slalom World Cup and Kayak Cross events, which serve as crucial qualifiers for the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Over 25 athletes from various states including Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and the host state of Meghalaya participated in the high-stakes competition. Depti Jivanji made in history by clinching India's first gold medal at the 2024 World Para-Athletics Championship. The spotlight shone brightly on her as she conquered the women's T20 400-meter event with unparalleled prowess, setting a new world record with a breathtaking time of 55.7 seconds.